This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals, and as you can see, we are at a warehouse. This warehouse, we do services here. We did it one time for them. They wanted us to come back. We said we could do it once a week. Nah, they didn't want to do that. So we're going to do it once a week. As you can see, we got this big machine. If you checked out our video in the past, we used a smaller machine, okay? Sorry, I was talking real fast. I'm just really excited for this, man. We're using this huge machine here. This is gas powered. And our main problem that we were here for last time, we had to get these, you see these little pieces of wood settlement in there and those cracks. That's what we're focusing on. That's what we're going to get up here. So this big boss is going to go ahead and handle that. But we also have a, we're doing some manual labor because last time we swept them out by hand using a broom to get all these cracks and crevices up. But now we're using the shop back here. We have our crew over here working and doing their thing. Someone's over here chopping it up. We got plenty of cord here. As you can see, it's coming along well. All right, as you can see here, you got the shop vac, and that's what we're doing. We're getting the cracks here. It's very tedious, but it's a very important step. Sweetening, getting cracks. All right, we got one team going now. We got the strength on the floor. This is what we gotta get up. Okay, so we're just gonna give you an example of what we're doing here. As you can see, the floor. Look at the difference there. We went over this already, and it dries immediately. So you can just see the color difference. We're getting all the dust, dirt, wood chips up. Floor is looking amazing. Check this out. This aisle is pretty much done. We have some spots here we're going to use with our auto scrubber, our mini auto scrubber. Get some of the leftover sludge, but it's looking great. Can't get close to the equipment. It's to the bars. We don't want them to damage and knock a rack over. So we're staying about, as you can see, we're staying about a half inch, or almost about 8 inches out from every pillar, just to protect product and merchandise. So we got some moving, some things to do. So I'm off now. I also want to show you some puddles here. Like, you know, machine does good, but not everything you can take care of. So these are some turnaround spots. We're going to go ahead and get up with the auto scrubber. Look at the color of the dirt. It's all there, getting that grime up. You just see the difference there. It's really nasty. All right, stay tuned. Be Clean Professionals, concrete scrub. All right, here we are. We're getting ready to dump the machine. Twist this here. Yeah, water and soot. Surprised there isn't more than that. It's really flowing out. Alright, we're all complete with the floor. As you can see, we got that area all finished. Look, that's what it looked like before. We obviously can't get next to that equipment. We don't want to damage it. Still on the machine here. Got all the aisles. These aisles we had to back scrub out, which means we had to back in and scrub out. Our next cleaning, and I said this was about 200,000 square feet, the size of a Walmart. Heading to the next one. Stay tuned. Professionals, we are all finished here. As you can see, it was a way bigger machine that we used. Last time it took us 10 hours, 2 days. This time we're here in 6 hours. All right, 1 day. We got just to wipe up some of this little bit of water here. We're out of here. Stay tuned for the next cleaning and video. And always remember, If you are local and you watch any of our videos, we do a $50 referral. So all we need is the manager's name, phone number, and email, and we can go ahead and give them a referral. Reach out to us, let us know you referred us, and we'll go ahead and compensate you. Thank you for watching Be Clean Professionals.